Okay, we're going to talk about doing some time signature changes and some tempo changes. So I've set up, just to have an open blank one. I'm going to turn on my cycle record. It's on. Now in this case I want my first time signature change to appear in measure 4. So I'm just going to slide this over the cycle range to measure 4. If I grab it in the middle. Next thing I'm going to want to do is expand my global tracks, and in this case time signature. And what I'm going to do is move my playhead over to measure 4, and if I double click down at the time signature, I'm going to change the 4 to a 3, so I got a 3/4 time signature, and there it appears in my timeline. Now I can do this anywhere. If I move this over, move my playhead over again, I can change this to 6, then change the second number to 8. And there, now I have a 6/8. So I've gone from 4/4 to 3/4 to 6/8. So that's an easy way to do time signatures. You can create a time signature map. Now to add tempo changes. Okay, I'm going to expand my tempo region in this case, and I want my first tempo change to be in measure, well, we'll say measure 5. So I'm going to click on the escape key, and I'm going to select my pencil tool by either selecting it or just going number 2. Notice that this now turns into a pencil. And in this case, I want my first tempo change to be in measure 5, so I'm going to click right here, measure 5. And you'll notice that as you move this around, it changes. It'll tell you insert tempo 120 at 5/1/1/1/1/1. So I'm going to just do that, and now I have a node right there. Now I can grab that node and move it up to whatever tempo I want my tempo change to be. So I'll say 130 at 5/1/1/1. There it is. So I've created a tempo change. Now to create an accelerando, if you'll notice I have another node appearing below that. If I grab that node and just drag it to the left, I can create a gradual accelerando. Okay, I'm going to undo that. That's the right idea. Now if I want to create a retard, I just grab this. I'm going to make my new tempo change slower than my original from 120 to 104. And again, I have that node this time above. And if I grab it to the left, I can create a gradual retard. So in this way, you can manipulate tempo and time signatures using the global tracks. Hope this helped.